Hey guys, I am gonna hide a couple of Tonka's toys out here. I've never hidden any toys from him. He's in the window. I've never hidden any toys from him, just food. So I'm curious to see if he can find them or not. He's peeking. He's a mess. Okay, he's not peeking now. La, da, 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 da. Let's see. I love this little corner of the yard. Stick him right up here. Okay, and now I gotta find a spot for him. Let's see. Where can we hide him? Where is Tonka most likely to end up? Yeah, exactly. So, just lay him right there and see if Tonka can find him. I can fix his sun shelf though, because I know he'll get in here. Hold on a second. Okay, there it is. The other one's back over there. I'm gonna go get Tonka. Oh boy. First one's gonna go for Tonka, where's it at? Ah. Where did Mom put them? Where are they? Where are they? Ah! Run me over. Where are they? Where in the world am I? There you go. Use your nose. Find them. Get them. Silly. Hey! Wait! You gotta go find the other Tonka! Okay. Hello? We're playing a game here. That's not the game. Oh my goodness. You're a mess. Tonka. Dragging with his tail. You were supposed to find them before you got in the pool. Well, so much for our game of... Ooh, chicken's thrown up. He's not even caring. But, Tonka, you gotta find your other one. Come on, get over there and find it. Where's it at? Come on, you gotta find it. Where is it? Where is it? There you go, look for it. Good job. Where'd it go? Here's your nose. Good job. Oh! So you almost went in the right direction. This is Mom to put behind the barn. It'll be interesting if you can actually find this. Because, I mean, it's not like it smells like meat or anything. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where is it? Ooh, where is it? Come on, Tonka, where is it? What was that? Hey, Mom. Tonka, where's your toy? Where is it? Come on, find it. Let's find it. Is it over here? Where is it? Oh, I need to be able to squeak it when he's not looking. Oh. You came so close. Oh, my God. Tonka. You were so hot! What happened? Tonka, you were so close! Oh, there you go. You're getting hot. You're getting hot. Where is it? Do you even know that it's over here or you just running to run? Okay. You run for it. Where is it, Tonka? Oh. You're so smart! Oh my goodness. Oh, you... Okay. Why is it fall on me? No! Tonka, where is it? Ah! Tonka, where is it? He loves that noise. Cracks me up. Okay, let's do it again. It fell. Oh, he's in the pool. Where is it, Tonka? Ah! Where is it? You got it! Yay! Ah! Oh, what? Up, Tonka! You got that all wet. He says, I love this one. Did you find it? Good job. Okay, how about that one swimming? Oh my goodness. You are too funny. Good job, buddy. Good job. Whew. I'm just gonna clean your pool out again. This is your second swim of the day. Yes, it is. Yeah, how come you like the red one better than this one? This noise reminds me of something. What is it? I don't know. I'm gonna eat a Tonka. Hum nom nom nom, hum nom nom nom, hum nom nom nom. Ah! Some into my mouth. Yummy! That was so good. Got myself a Tonka treat. Oh, there he is. Swim back into my mouth. Get into my belly. Get into my belly. Ah. That was good. Good. Tonka. Tonka, your chicken's watching you. You felt down. Your chicken is watching you. Woo! Was that fun? You did so good. I'm very impressed. I may have helped you a little bit with the squeaking, but that's okay. You still found it. Good job. Good on you, Tonka. Good on you. You're so cute. Hi, buddy. Hello, Tonkas. I love how he gets in the pool and ignores me. It cracks me up. He doesn't even look at me. Watch him. He doesn't even look at me. He's like, no one exists but my pool. I need to put your boat up. Oh, hi. Nope. I thought you were going to come say hi to me there for a second. Hello, big guys. What you doing? Is your chicken watching you swim? Tonka. Tonka. Tonka! You're funny. It is beautiful out tonight. We need to get out and dry out so we go for a bike ride or something. to go do something. So you need to get out and dry off. Yeah, exactly. Oh, thanks guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Oh, please hit the notification bell if you haven't already so you know when our videos upload. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and share. Share. Thanks so much for coming along and being a part of our adventures. Being a part of our family. Hi, Tonka. Tonka says thank you. So I'm going to say, see you later, alligators. And Tonka's going to say, after a while, crocodile. You're so cute.